In this video, we will see about comments in Python. Comments in Python is systematic technique for identifying the functional flow of the program in simple readable text so that it makes easy for instructing the people who execute the program and to describe what can be expected from the specific set of code. So coming to the syntax used for the comments, let us see in the Jupyter Notebook. Yes, these are different types of syntax we will use for the comments. So one is the first one is use it to comment one line, that is hash. It starts with a hash. And the second one is used to the triple quote. Second one used is a triple quotes, which is used to comment more than one line. A programmer must add a comment. A programmer must add a comment in his program to make it more understandable for others. Now, where to add the comments is a big question. It's an individual choice, but there are some common places where adding comments make a program more readable. So few spots I will try to discuss with you. That's first one is start of the program. We use comments. When defining the parameters also, we try to use a comment line. And defining a class, defining method, and to describe about the procedure which is used in the program, and to cross check the output of a piece of the code. Okay, so the next one is examples of comments in the Python. So comments don't have any effect on the output whatsoever, but they make a program more readable. So we will discuss about the examples of the comments in Python. The first one is a commenting one line at a time. So when you see this program commenting one line at a time, we will use hash and whatever the text for describing the program or set of code, you can just give the lines here. For example, this set of code, this is my set of code here. Here what I'm going to do is I'm just adding my two variable values and I'm printing the same variable, okay, the addition result. So this is what the common detail about this program. So I am just putting it in one line using my comment hash after hash. I am just giving my comments here, that is performing addition of two variables. So here in this first line, if I want to describe about this particular variable declaration, I am just defining a variable a and its value, and here I am just giving hash and I am describing about this particular line of code, defining the variable b and its value. And the next line, I'm just doing the addition of both my variables and storing inside my variable addition. So adding logic definition, that's addition is happening in this line. I'm just describing about that in a one line using hash, that is commenting. I'm trying to comment this particular line, okay, which describes about this addition is equal to a plus b. And next one, I'm printing the variable addition, which I'm having the added value of both of my variable, that is a and b. So I'm just using the hash symbol and I'm trying to describe what is the meaning of that particular line. So it won't have any effect on the code obviously at last. And next one is a commenting multiple lines. And sometimes it is required to provide a description of some logic for which there is a need to comment multiple lines at a time. Commenting a single line again and again could be a tiring job, so we use a triple quotes for that. To comment a multiple line, usually we will use a triple quotes, okay. So here this is a triple quotes. At the start I will give a opening triple quotes, and again after the comments all the lines are over, what need to be right here about the description of the program, I'll just write it and ending it with again the triple quotes. This is about the commenting multiple lines at a time. And the next one is a commenting one line as well as multiple line at the same time. In most cases, programmer use both type of comments to make the program readable. Okay, so once you take this program, I'm using both my I'm using both my single line comment and multiple line comments. Here this is a multiple line comment, and a single line comment which starts with a hash is also here. And this is about commenting. Comments in a program is very useful in understanding them. In Python we basically have two types of comment, either to comment one line with the hash syntax or to comment multiple lines with the help of triple quotes. Comments are not there to influence a code, but just to add the description of what is being coded there, and comments would not be a part of the output. This is about comments in Python. Thank you for watching this video.